While I get stuff moved in, let me share some info about Waypoint. What's Waypoint? Waypoint is rooted in community, something that can bring people together through shared passions and interests. A place to collaborate with others and create some cool stuff while learning along the way. The definition of Waypoint means a stopping place on a journey, and that's exactly what I want Waypoint to be. A place for people to stop in, say hi, connect, and share passions, make friends, and continue on their journey in life. For me, I want to build vintage bikes that are fun, clean, and simple. I want to create goods inspired by vintage clothing and designs that people are excited to own and wear. And I want to create a local community of group rides and hangouts. Also, an online community to connect people from all around the world around a shared passion. Why start Waypoint? Waypoint is a place for me to bring my love for motorcycles, my love for making, fixing, and problem solving, along with my love for creating through photo, video, and design all together in one place. Plus, I get to share it with others, and hopefully someone else can take something or get inspired by what I'm learning and doing. I just want to share my process. Hopefully someone can get inspired by what I'm doing to try and do it themselves. Now, to the shop. The shop is awesome. I share this space with my buddy Quentin, who builds old Vita Vanagons. I help him out with that as well. The shop is well lit, well insulated, it's got 220 volt for welding, and it's just been an all around unreal find. I'm grateful to have this little corner to do what I want to do. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you're interested. Check out waypointmoto on Instagram, where I share nostalgic videos and bikes of the past alongside my build, and I'm excited to share this journey. See you in the next one.